A.C.E is a means of making autonomous cars expressive, which enables other traffic participants to understand the intentions of the autonomous cars. This is a video about the design process. Early on in the process, I already was appealed by the idea of solving the interaction problem between human traffic participants and autonomous cars. I started out by generating ideas about expressiveness. What should a car express? Should it be aggressive at times and really demand you as a traffic participant to listen? Or should it really be more a gentle car? How can I make these concepts tangible after all? Once I found out that the interplay between assertiveness and gentleness is interesting, I started to look at the form factor. The first main inspiration was the BMW Gina Vision concept. Its organic animation almost made it look like a living and breathing organism. I wanted to make a similar living creature, and I started both generating ideas and experimenting with the materials. So I created some ideas and discussed these with outsiders. I showed some physical shape-changing ideas as well as some light signals as alternatives. The outcome was that the shape-changing was regarded less effective, whereas the light signals were much clearer from a first glance. So instead, the concept used light signals from then on. The first step after this decision was to design light expressions for being both gentle and assertive. So some iterations were designed. Secondly, the first prototype was made, which was meant to show how the envisioned technology would be suitable for the situation. The expressions were discussed by means of co-reflection. The goal was to find out what was the most effective expression and what parts of the expressions made it this effective. This enabled me to redesign the final gentle and assertive expressions. As it turned out, the first prototype was not quite as suitable for the concept that I envisioned, so different technology was envisioned, and I designed a different presentation prototype. This second prototype was quite more in line with the concept. In the end, the expression needed to be all over the car body. This would be more visible and understandable for human traffic drivers. Besides, if it were built up by LEDs, the resolution of the expression image would be far too low. A.C.E is now a means of expressiveness that extends all over the body of the car by means of dynamic car paint, projection and ambient lighting.